Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix your monitor's brightness issue and get the exact brightness level that you would prefer while using your monitor. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do so just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Once you do that, a run prompt will open. Here you need to type DCCW. Just simply go over there, hit next in this window, next again next and again next until you reach this section of brightness. Here you're gonna see you can check the samples also. Too dark will look like this, the good brightness is this, and too bright will look something like this. Now go to next and calibrate your brightness from your monitor controller according to this image so that you will get exact brightness level. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.